Mami partha vipashritya yepishu papayonayaha Sriyo Vaishya Sata Shudra Tepi Yanti Param Gati. O son of Prita, those who take shelter in me, though they be of lower birth, women, Vaishyas, merchants, as well as Shudras, workers, can approach the supreme destination. So this is supreme destination. Very interesting. In this material world, there are differences. It is blind to see there are no differences. There are differences. Correct? Some people are tall, some people are short. Some people are fat, some people are thin. Correct? And intelligence level also is different. And their karma may also be different. Somebody is very rich, somebody is very poor. Somebody is very famous, somebody is not so famous. Correct? Total varieties are there. And if you go deeply, these varieties are coming because of Purva Karma. Something we have done in some life, and because of that one kind of set of reactions, it produces resulting in one kind of form. Another set of reaction resulting in another kind of form. But now when we are in this situation, irrespective of our situation, we can completely surrender to Krishna. That's why Krishna is saying here, Mahami Partha Vipashritya, those who take total shelter of me. Mahami Partha Vipashritya, Epishu Papa Yonayaha. They may be very sinful people. Yoni means that category may be very sinful. That person may not be sinful, or maybe he is also sinful. But if he wants to surrender to Krishna, there is an equal opportunity. But if he takes shelter of me, he might have come from a very sinful background, but there is an equal opportunity. In fact, this is a revolution. This shloka is a revolution for general thinking of public. Many people accuse ISKCON. They say that we have destroyed the Hindu Dharma because we have given opportunity all around the world people to take to Krishna consciousness. Many people say this. But here the shloka is saying, Krishna is saying they cannot understand the power of the Hare Krishna mantra. They can't understand. Otherwise, normally, it is not easy to change. And also, the only thing is the wishful thinking. Somebody is addicted to meat and drinking. You think just thinking he'll become correct. It requires tremendous tapasya. That is true. But the process works very fast. It requires tapasya. It's not that we say, okay, I say Hare Krishna and I become a great Vaishnava. You can, but you have to chant with quality. So if you want to become a pure devotee, don't take it lightly. We have to be serious. Correct? You want to become a pure devotee, we have to be very, very serious. It is not a joke. And other people may have an estimation because of your dress, something, you are this or that. You know what is happening to your heart. Correct? We know the compromising position, easily the heart may go into. Therefore, this Krishna's kindness is there. Krishna is saying does not matter from what position you are coming. There is an equal opportunity for anybody to totally take shelter of Krishna. But provided they take total, they surrender to a pure devotee who is a representative of Krishna. There was some class in Australia which is very much now connected to this. After the class was over, one devotee asked this question to Prabhupada. For a normal person of this world, a normal Australian, how much time it takes to totally surrender to Krishna? How much time takes for a normal man of this world with some here and there, some papa karmas, average papa karmas? How much time it takes to totally surrender to Krishna? And what did Prabhupada answer? 1 minute. One moment. You don't read. You don't read Bhagavad Gita. What is Bhagavad Gita? I quoted the shloka. Sarvadharvan parityaja mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarapapebhyo mokshishami masachaha. Take it. Provided one person totally surrenders to Krishna. Sarvadharman parityaja. The so-called concocted ideas he throws. Mamekam sharanam. He just says, okay, from today I follow Krishna. Aham tvam sarapapebhyo. Krishna says, okay, you ready? All your sarapapa gone. Proceed. Happily come back. So this is actually a great opportunity which Krishna is giving to anybody. He is not partial. Suppose Prabhupada says it very nicely. Whenever Narasimhadeva touches the hand of Prahlad Maharaj with his hand, and Prahlad Maharaj feels fully purified, Prabhupada writes, the same opportunity is available to you. Right? So nicely. You see that note that you can find in the purport there. Very interestingly, the purport has so many things. Prabhupada says, the same opportunity is available for you. You want to take it? Available. But you have to be sincere like Prahlad. Similarly, Dhruva Maharaj, what does Narayana do? He touches his conch shell on his head. And Narayana appears, Dhruva is so small, same 5-year-old boy can't offer anything, can't speak anything. The Lord touches the conch shell, all knowledge manifests in his heart. And he offers beautiful prayers to the Lord. So same thing Prabhupada writes, say Krishna is ready to touch conch shell on your head also. You see, wherever extraordinary mercy is shown in the Shastra, Prabhupada writes, same opportunity is available to you. It's left to you. You want to take or not? Society, there may be so many kind of discrimination. But as far as Krishna is concerned, he is equal to everybody. That's the beauty of Krishna. He is accessible for every individual. He is not saying, I am available only to people who are born in this family, people who have this. No. Krishna is open to everybody. So Param Gatim, actually, if you want to achieve, problem is with me. Today morning also we were discussing this point. We find problems in the whole situation. Actually, the only limitation is me. It's me who is not determined. So when you have to surrender to Krishna, people will bring varieties of excuses. This is the problem, that is the problem, that is the problem. There are no problems. There is only one problem, I am not serious, that's all. There is only one problem, why I am not surrendered to Krishna. Other problems, it's like Desha Bhakti, this Bhakti, that Bhakti is drama. Correct? Only problem is I am not serious. If I am serious, yes, I can say, Krishna, from today, I do what you say. I will not disobey you one moment. That is called Vipashatya, totally taking shelter. And you cannot totally take shelter independently. You have to take shelter of a Acharya, guided by devotees. We take total shelter of the Acharya. Because you do not know what Krishna wants, what are his directions. When you obey the Acharya, you are obeying Krishna. Therefore, you are reading very carefully his guidance. Let me follow. Because then you are able to please Krishna. You are able to, Krishna is very happy when you are in the shelter of his pure devotee. In fact, there is a Bhagavatam very famous shloka. Kirat hunanda pulinda pulkasha abhir shamba yavana khasadeha. He says there are varieties of Papa yonis on earth. Now here the list is not there. There is a big list in Bhagavatam. Kirat hunanda pulinda pulkasha abhir shamba yavana khasadeha. And then Prabhu Vishnave Namaha. He says the Lord is so powerful that he can deliver anybody. Isn't it true? Many times when people in India say, ISKCON, what they are giving Diksha to Africans, Americans, they destroyed our dharma. General people, they don't know this actually. That Shastra says, Bhagavatam says, the Lord is so powerful, his devotees are so powerful, that person may be coming from the most sinful life background. They can turn him around. That's the power. And actually we cannot do. Prabhupada demonstrated that. He turned the people who are the most difficult cases. Most difficult cases. In fact, when Srila Prabhupada did, we thought, anybody can do. Now we are knowing. Anybody can do. It's not easy. We are coming to know the strength. That is the power of a pure devotee. His desire is well-wish. Is so much that a person takes to Krishna. Just like somebody comes to you and really wishes that you eat something, you will say, okay, I'll eat. Agree? Finally, we have to make a decision. Decision nobody is going to force. You have to make a decision to serve Krishna. But a pure devotee has such well-wish in his heart. Become Krishna conscious. It is for your benefit. Just by telling, okay, I'll do it. I'll chant Hare Krishna. What is that? Why don't you chant Hare Krishna? We tell people. But are we really wishing the chant Hare Krishna? It depends. But if you are really a pure devotee, how much you will wish, why don't you chant Hare Krishna? The person will not be able to say no. Okay, I'll chant. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to send Haridas Thakur and Nityananda Prabhu house to house. So please chant Hare Krishna. But their desire that people take to Krishna consciousness is so strong that people used to take. People could not refuse. Can't refuse. Okay, I'll do it. Okay. That's why we chant in the morning. Samsara Davanala Lidaloka Pranaya Karunya Gana Ganatvam. His Acharya is bringing the mercy of Krishna. The Krishna is extremely merciful. He wants the conditioned souls to come back at his shelter. And Acharya is bringing that mercy. So that power is there because of his desire to serve Krishna. He has the power to encourage. He is not going to force. Even Krishna doesn't force. But he has the power to be able to give the smell of Krishna Bhakti to even the lowest. Right? His heart is full of love of Krishna. And what is our heart? We have been discussing the last 2 days. Full of lust. And his heart is glowing with love for Krishna. So when you meet him, what will happen? A desire will erupt in your heart. Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagyavanji. Some fortunate soul. When he comes in contact with Acharya, what happens? Yes, I want to serve Krishna. The desire erupts in his heart. That is the power of a pure devotee. So this generally people do not know. People do not know the power of the holy name. People do not know the power of the acharyas. People do not know the power of prasadam. People do not know the power of the deities. What else is remaining? Of the devotees, power of acharyas, and power of the shastra. People do not know. Because they do not know how powerful it is, therefore they sometimes feel Maya is very powerful. Not possible. Somebody told Prabhupada, Prabhupada, very difficult. It is Kali Yuga. Very difficult to follow rules and regulations. So Prabhupada said, when it is raining, umbrella is there or not? Somebody said, why you are smoking? Kali Yuga. Very difficult. Kali Yuga. Why you are not following brahmacharya? Kali Yuga. Very difficult. Hare Baba, when it is raining, you say, why you are not wet? You have also come from the rain. You have taken precaution, either some umbrella or something. Correct? True, no? Somebody is coming. Why you are wet? It is raining now. Why umbrella is available now? Why you don't hold umbrella? And what's the umbrella for Kali Yuga? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So generally people who are compromised with the Maya, they do not know the power of the different mercies of Krishna. And Kali Yuga, the primary mercy comes from the Hare Krishna mantra. Hare Krishna mantra you can chant softly, that is japa, loudly, that is kirtan. Both we should take advantage of. So much unlimited mercy is available from them. Correct? You feel so much refreshed. When you're chanting Hare Krishna, it's a call of love to the Supreme Lord. And our cripple-minded heart, which is full of lust, starts getting washed. Correct? And the same way, when we hear Bhagavad Gita, what is Bhagavad Gita? Again, love of Krishna. You feel so purified. You look at the deities, they are looking as well-wish with great mercy at you. Okay? You read the scriptures, each word is for the good for us. Correct? Guiding us. Prabhupada said, these books are my transcendental ecstasies. Just surround yourself with these things and be protected and saved. Correct? Surround yourself. Sometime read, sometime chant, sometime take mercy of the Lord, see the deities. How fortunate it is actually. Every moment you are advancing. And these are so powerful that Maya cannot touch you. You should have faith, no? Suppose I feel deity के पास जाएंगे कुछ नहीं होगा, जब कुछ नहीं होता है, पढ़ने का कुछ फायदा नहीं, साधु संग कुछ नहीं होने वाला उससे, and Maya, very powerful. That is the general people condition, correct? But they have not seen कैवल्यम नरकायते तिदश पूरा आकाश पुष्पायते दुर्दांत इंद्रिय काल सर्प पोटकदम सरायते. Then what? Vishram Purna Sakayate Vidhi Mahendra Kitayate. And what is this all manifestation of? Tat Karunya Kataksha. This is the Karunya. Karunya means mercy. Kataksha means just a glimpse of a portion of mercy of Lord Chaitanya. If you get, total transformation come in you. People do not know this actually. Correct? They think, sometimes in spiritual life also we think, by my strength of chanting and by my strength of reading, I will become Krishna conscious. We all know how much offenses are going on in both. Correct? Therefore, Prabhupada says, this is a mercy movement. What kind of movement it is? Mercy movement. Prabhuji, some mercy I can get. We say no. This is a mercy movement. Always when we go to the deities, I don't deserve anything. I am not a good devotee, but please be merciful to me. Guide me. There was a very nice devotee gives an example. Actually, that is how it works. You have seen that? One devotee gives a very nice comedy he creates, wherein somebody is chanting Hare Krishna and is holding to his 16 rounds, but then Maya is attacking him. And where is Krishna Prema and where is all this? But somehow holding on. And then Ekadashi is coming, he is scared. Ekadashi now going on. Okay? And you've not seen it? It's very beautiful. And at the end, what happens? He gets Prabhupada's mercy. And suddenly Krishna Prema, everything. But what is the thing he was doing throughout? Holding on to his rounds. Even though the situation, because it takes time. We will not get pure in a moment, no? Because we don't surrender it totally. If you totally surrender it, one moment Krishna will give you mercy. And another thing is that Krishna, they said, no, when Mother Yashoda was trying to bind Krishna, the rope was always short by 2 inches. What is the meaning of 2 inches? First, your decision to serve Krishna. Second, Krishna's mercy. You decide to serve Krishna and Krishna accepts your service. 2 things are there. Not that I am serving. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. I'm very nicely chanting. Krishna doesn't accept, you keep chanting for trillions of years, no use. Correct? Suppose I come to your house. You make a nice preparation. And after that, I eat. After that, you will ask, no, how was it? Was it nice? You'll ask or not? Is it normal or not? You go to somebody, a guest comes to your house. You make chappan bhog, very nice, fries, sweets, everything you make, and bring it to him. And then he eats nicely. After that, even you are done, you ask him, no, was it nice? He said, yes, it was very good. You feel very satisfied. Correct? Even if you made 100 items, they are all useless. He can say that, no. You have to give him the freedom or not. The small guest, we are giving that much freedom. True it is? You're giving or not? We ask, no, finally, are you satisfied? So similarly, when you're chanting Hare Krishna, you may be chanting the best. Every akshara you are hearing, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. But Krishna may not be pleased. He has a right. Therefore, mercy. Just like you have gone for an application, leave application. Now you may have leave, but the boss can say no. Whole year you have not taken any leave. And you say, no, that day a lot of work is there, don't take it. So you have to request, please, sir, very important, Janmashtami is there, one day holiday kodi. Correct? You will say no. There is appeal or not? When for small arbitrary Swarad people, they are not Swarad, they are also, we are so much praying, we can't pray to Krishna. Huh? We have to pray to Krishna. Mighty Lord, be merciful to me. I'm in a situation Just like that famous of Rupa Goswami. He said the condition is terrible. Hopeless condition. I have no taste for chanting the holy name of the Lord. I have no faith in the scriptures. I can't pray to the deities. I have no desire to associate with Vaishnavas. Still I want to become a pure devotee. So therefore I am hoping against hope. You'll give me some mercy. Correct? That famous prayer is there, hoping against hope. So similarly, in path of Krishna consciousness, we should progress with the proper attitude. Then definitely Krishna, as Prabhupada says in the shloka, tad vidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadakshyanti te jnanam jnanina tattu darshina. He says when we have services and inquiry is proper, definitely the Acharya, by nature Acharya is merciful. He will give mercy. Correct? You will be able to realize. It's not that he is whimsical, he will not give. No, he is very kind. Krishna is very kind. He is very merciful. Radharani is very kind and very merciful. But we should not take the mercy for granted. We should please be merciful. Just like whole day we do sadhana, we do some service. Then at the end we should say, Radha Krishna, maybe some offenses happened. Please accept whatever little service I have done. And be merciful to me. Merciful, what do we want mercy? We want to progress. We want to become a devotee whose services are very pleasing to Krishna. You get it? Suppose you want to give a gift to somebody whom you love. How nicely you pack it. So he is pleased. Our focus, we forget sometime. Our focus is that Krishna is pleased. One Srila Prabhupada entered one temple and he asked the pujari, how are the deities? And the pujari was he just ringing ghanta, chanting mantras, offering over. Are the deities happy? Deities happy? He is not thinking. The whole adambara we do, we forget that we are here. For what purpose? To please Krishna. We forget this. Everything else goes on. I am pleasing myself, my ahankara, this, that, all tamasha is going on. We forget I am existing here. For what? For pleasing Krishna. This place is not mine. This place belongs to Radha Govinda. And what are we doing all here? Doing something that Radha Govinda is pleased. And they put in the center. Then everybody is working and efficiently fine-tuning. Services are there. Faults are also there. We have to fine-tune so that service become very pleasing to the deities. And then you feel very happy. And then when Krishna accepts your service, you can feel it actually. It is not drama. You can feel. You can feel the shelter of the Lord. Okay? Krishna consciousness is not a prataksha avagamam dharmam susukam kartumam. It is prataksha. It is very joyfully performed and it is perceived. Prabhupada says, just like when you eat food, you don't ask somebody, am I full or not? You know I am full. Do you have to ask somebody? Give me a certificate, I am full. And why you have to ask another person, you are full? Right? So when you are practicing Krishna consciousness, a proper attitude on the shelter of the Acharya, you do feel very peaceful and very happy. And you know that this is day by day, it becomes more and more joyful. And it does not have to do anything with what condition I am coming from. You can approach Krishna from any condition. Krishna is ready to pick us up. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srila Bhagavad Gita ki.